In this video, I'll show you how you can record and then add a voiceover in CapCut. So here you can see I'm in CapCut, I've got a new project open. I'm just going to import some media and then we can add a voiceover. Okay, so now we've got our media in CapCut, we can go ahead and drag this onto the timeline. And you can see this video is just a video of people walking through Japan, Tokyo. But anyway, what we can do now is we can go ahead and add a voiceover. Now you want to go to your timeline on CapCut. And then here on the timeline under the preview, there will be a record button. Now, if you go ahead and click on this, it will open up the record settings. And from here, we can go ahead and change either the input device and the microphone and a couple of other settings as well. So I'm going to go ahead and change the input device to my microphone, and that should pick up my microphone here. Now we can also change the volume, turn on echo reduction. So if you've got your sound on CapCut coming out your PC speaker, you can reduce the echo. There's also the other feature called mute project, which is going to mute all of the sounds from the project. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on echo reduction and also mute project. And then we're going to go ahead and play this and record a voiceover. So click on the red record button. It will then count down and you'll then start recording. You can then record your voiceover however you'd like. Don't worry if you make a mistake because you can also edit it later. So once you're happy with the recording, click end recording. And here you can see here is your recording. Now, if you wanted to just edit this, you can do. And all you have to do is just basically snip out the mistakes. So go on the timeline where you made a mistake. Then you can click split and you can just split and edit this like a normal audio track. So if we wanted to delete this part, we would make 2 splits, then we can delete. So that's how you can add a recording to CapCut. I hope that did help you out.